Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Genesis G70. These shifters allow you to manually control your gears, giving you a more engaging driving experience. The left paddle is for downshifting, and the right paddle is for upshifting. It's a simple system designed for quick and intuitive gear changes, enhancing your connection with the road. To activate manual mode, first ensure you are in a suitable drive setting, like Sport mode. Then, simply pull either the left or right paddle shifter. You'll see the gear indicator on your dashboard change, confirming you're now in manual control. Your Genesis G70 will remain in this mode until you decide to switch back, offering full command over your transmission. For optimal performance, downshift before entering a corner to maintain engine speed and control. When accelerating out of a turn or on a straight, upshift to keep the engine in its power band. Remember, the car will automatically downshift if your speed gets too low, preventing the engine from stalling. This ensures a smooth and responsive drive. Returning to automatic mode is straightforward. You can either hold the right paddle shifter for a few seconds, and the system will revert. Alternatively, simply move your gear selector back into the drive position. This will disengage manual control, allowing your Genesis G70 to manage gear changes automatically again. Enjoy the flexibility of both driving styles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.